A very good morning to all class 5. Today we are going to do the last part of this chapter, that is multiplication and division of money. We have to do division and multiplication as we do in normal way. The only thing is that as we can see that in rupees paise is also included, that is after decimal. So what you have to do? Say this example, rupees this much multiply by 12. So simple multiplication you have to, as we were doing previous, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7, 2 zeros are 0, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 0 again 1 carry, 2 6s are 12 plus 1 13. Then once is over, now we will multiply with the tens column. So inverse column we will put cross, then we will multiply with the tens. After that simple addition as we were doing in the same way we will do. What is the difference? You have to put decimal. Why? Because in question there is paise also included. So paise is after 2 decimal, 1 2. So at last we'll put decimal after the 2 digit from the right hand side. This will come our answer. In the same way we will do the division. Okay, we have divided in the same way, right? After that we have to put the decimal where 1 2, because here 0 has come. So 1 2, understood? Rest everything is same. Okay, simple calculation. In division or word problems also, if there is division or there is multiplication, we have to read the statement well and you have to see that question demands what. Either you have to do the multiplication in that word problem or you have to do the division. Okay, this multiplication and division is simple. I hope you can do it yourself. Now only the word problem is left. Word problem. If the cost of 1 liter of Pepsi is this much, find the cost of 8 liter of Pepsi. Okay, this is word problem. First I am showing you in rough, then I will send you this in detail. Okay, if 1 liter of Pepsi is of this much, so the cost of 1 liter of Pepsi is rupees 65.75 paise. That is 0.75 means this is paise. Okay, and we have to find out the cost of 8 liters of Pepsi. Suppose I bought this pen for 5 rupees. Now I want to buy 5 such pens. How much money is required? 5 5s are 25. In the same way, when you want to get the answer of the more digit of number, you have to simply do the multiplication. So multiply it by 8. Okay, 8 5s are 40, 4 carry, 8 7s are 42, 4 46, again 4 carry, 8 5s are 40, 4 44, again 4 carry, 8 6s are 48 plus 4 2 and 5 carry, 8 6s are okay 52. This much. We will put rupee symbol 1 2. So 1 2. This is your answer. Understood? Only the same thing is that, but we have to write the statement. Let me deal more word problems. Later on you will do the work. The monthly income of Aman is this much. What is his annual income? Monthly means income of 1 month. Annual means annual, 1 year. 1 year includes 12 months. Okay, the question has twisted. You have to get the question correctly, the point of questions. Annual income. Annual means in 12 months. Question here given monthly salary, 1 month salary, but we have to get the answer of 12 months. So annual salary will come. Same thing, this much multiplied by 12 will get the annual salary. Okay, now if 12 notebooks cost this much, find the cost of each notebook. Children, whenever value of one thing is given and question asked for the more, we have to multiply. Okay, in both the question we have seen this. Now look at this. Value of more number is given, we have to take out the each one notebook. So cost of 12 notebook is this much, we have to take out the one notebook. So will divide, we have to write the statement, then we have to do the division. This much is there, we have to get the value of one notebook. This is a value of 12 notebooks, so 12 to the 24, 7, 75. Now 12 6 ja 72, 3, again this 7, 12 3 ja 36, 12 1 ja 12. Okay, now 1 2 1 2. So this will be the cost of one notebook. Each notebook means one notebook. You have to write the statement, then you have to do the calculation. You have to show the calculation in the front page only. Don't do it at the back side or any other page. Okay, you have to show the calculation here only, otherwise you will get less marks in your exams. Now see, same question, same type. The price of 15 movie tickets is this much. Find the price of each movie ticket. Each mean 1. So we'll divide this by 15 to get the 1. Now the cost of one bag is this much. See, first they have given multiplication, then division. Now don't get confused, read the question well. The cost of one bag is this much. Find the cost of 25 such bag. So this is cost of one bag, but question now demanding for the more number, so we will multiply. Children, this chapter is very easy, so we'll have finished up this chapter very fastly, and I hope you all have understood this very well. Okay, I will send you 2 word problems from this, one from this also, to let you know how to do it in your copy. Okay, now your work for today is to complete this chapter in your copy. Clear? Okay, then do your work. I will send you the some of the problems. Take care and be safe.